want to create a chart or a video here of a new type chart I've run across, and kind of show you what I've been seeing. I'm currently looking at the U.S. or Euro U.S. dollar. Boy, my dyslexia is kicking in today. I'm currently looking at the Euro U.S. dollar, and I noticed the trade just fell off there, a scalp I had in. But this is a trend following chart. You know, a lot of charts can be confusing to read, but this one, even though it's got a lot of stuff on it, it really looks confusing. But when I explain it here, it's going to be real simple. All your white lines are short-term indicators, and I'll put it in the description, but it's basically 3, 5, 8, 10, 12, and 15 time frame indicator. All of your green are long-term, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 60 time frame indicators. As you can see here, this again is the Euro US dollar. It was in the downtrend, as you can see by the candles, and is it separated right here. All your short term separated from your long term. If you would have went short about right here, as you can see, you ride this thing down. There's a pretty decent move right there. Okay, now as you can see, when all these indicators kind of went together and made a solid line, that was a big green candle up, but that would have been time to close your position out. And as the short term works into the long term, I would say that's probably a good position or a good time not to have a position, because the market's kind of indecisive. But when they all cleared about right here, there would have been a nice, you could have made a nice little scalp riding up here. And so that's part of the way to read it. Now let's take a look at the US dollar Japanese yen with the same type of indicator, again on a 5-minute chart. As you can see here, I don't know how far this goes back, but as you can see here, this thing was in a nice uptrend. It's definitely short term has cleared your long term, and from here to here would have been a real nice scalp. When it turned out, you could have got out of your position, waited till it gave a clear signal. As you can see, it's kind of indecisive here because it's all the short term and the long term are mixed. But then when you got your gap here and it cleared your short term, time to go long again, and you can see you got a nice about a 45 minute trend going here, and it looks like about an 8 or 10 pip scalp. So again, I'll put the it's just EMA moving average for all 12, and you can change the colors to anything you want. I just kind of like the white and the green, but that's for me, it's a pretty simple indicator to follow.